Hello everybody, today our grammar lesson is about the present perfect tense. Firstly, what is the form of the present perfect tense? So we have to put the subject plus have or has plus past participle. I mean the third verb form like eat, ate, eaten. So eaten is the past participle of eat or the PP from eat. What are the reasons to use the present perfect tense? Number one, we can use the present perfect tense to refer to an action that started in the past and continues to the present. I mean, the present perfect continuous can also be used for this reason. For example, when I say, they have known each other since they were children. So the verb here is have known. So it started from the past till the present. This started in the past and is still true now. The second one, the word since. The word since is commonly used in the present perfect. It's used in the present perfect and in the present perfect continuous also to refer to an action that happened during a time period that hasn't yet finished. So the second use for the present perfect, an action that hasn't finished yet. For example, you have arrived late to work 3 times this month. The word this month here is not finished. It means it's not finished. The third use for the present perfect, the action is more important than the time. And it refers to experience or life experience, like when you say, have you ever fallen in love? Have you ever eaten frogs? Have you ever broken a bone? Have you ever seen a ghost? Have you ever driven on a motorcycle? The words just, already, and yet are often used with the present perfect. For example, when you say, the present perfect tense can be used for an action that was recently finished. I have just finished running. Just, the word just is a key word for the present perfect. It's very common in this use. The second one, the word yet. The word yet is also used with the present perfect tense in the negative statement, and the questions. For example, when you say, the mail hasn't arrived yet, means not in the time between a past time and now. It should happen soon though. The word already is used in positive statements when an action is completed before we expected. For example, I have already finished reviewing all the documents. So the verb here is have finished. We have some extra information about the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is not used with a specific time in the past unless the word since is used. For example, I have visited Paris. I have visited Paris last month. Which one is right? The first one is right, but the second one is wrong because we have the keyword here is last month, so it refers to the past symbol, not the present perfect. So we have to change the verb into visited, not have visited, to refer to the past symbol because we have here a specific time in the past, last month. Another one, I have played tennis. I have played tennis when I was a child. The first one is right, the second one is wrong. Why? Because we have here a specific time in the past when I was a child. So I have to change the verb to write it played, not have played. Or I can change the keyword when and put